Hey guys, Lucas here from Venture Surplus, and today we're going to go over two completely different IFAK pouches and see which one might be right for you. So the first pouch I have is your standard issue, mostly seen in the Army IFAK pouch, and they're pretty good. They're nice, compact, they hold everything you need to. Everything's secured with a buckle, and you have this flap, and you can use it with or without this insert that is bungeed and tied down inside into the pouch. Now this insert is going to hold all your supplies. It's great because you can whip it out of the pouch and everything's still pretty much connected to the pouch. You're not going to lose anything necessarily. And you can fold it back up and get it shoved back in your pouch. So this is a great little IFAK that can carry everything you need for an individual, and you can plus it up or subtract whatever you want from there and not be losing out on anything. It can mount to any MOLLE surface, so it's nice, compact. You can mount pretty much anywhere on your backpack or your kit and you're good to go. So the next one we have is our standard Eagle Industries SOF medical pouch. Now this one is pretty much completely different than that one. It's got a full zipper on the sides instead of a buckle flap. So it's still going to keep your stuff secure, still easy to get in and out of it. But inside, instead of having some sort of insert, it's got elastic bands. Now these elastic bands let you organize whatever you want in there and keep it nice and tight and secure, but you just can't like rip it out like the other one. So this one takes a little more time to get in and out of, but it's still going to be secure, hold everything you need to, and you can carry a full IFAK plus worth of supplies right in here. Just like the other one, you can mount it to any MOLLE surface, so your backpack, your kit, anywhere you need to get it to, you can put it on there. All right, so one last final overlook of these two pouches. So again, they're pretty different. There are different ways to carry your supplies and help you stay ready for anything, ready with your first aid kit. Both of them also make for great general purpose pouches. So you can use these for any random gear you got that you need to secure and keep on you, ready to go easily. So yeah, take a look at both of these and see which one's right for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check us out on venturesurplus.com. We have a wide selection of authentic USGI gear that's always rotating. Subscribe here, leave a comment and like, and then check out our email list as well so you can find out the newest gear.